The Workforce Planning module helps simplify your planning, enabling you to easily understand employee costs and headcounts so that you can plan accordingly and best link financial plans with the workforce plan. You can ease implementation, accelerate your time to value, and plan and forecast at the granularity that makes sense for your business, using the best practice out-of-box content, such as pre-built drivers, demographics, and dashboards. You can perform tasks such as plan headcount and detailed employee compensation by employee, job code, or both, budget for future headcount and related personnel expenses such as salary, benefits, and taxes, easily maintain even the most complex employee expense calculations such as benefits and taxes using the provided wizards, and align workforce priorities using the pre-built integration with Oracle Human Capital Management or integrate with any other third-party human capital management systems. If you plan with a 13-period calendar, corresponding logic drives date-based calculations such as pay date, and a 53rd week is automatically generated as appropriate. These capabilities foster key benefits such as improved accuracy and accountability in your planning processes through a better collaboration with finance, human resources, and line of business users, and empowered users who can perform what-if impact analysis to inform key workforce decisions. To get started, import your existing payroll and workforce information using data management's incremental load process, and then update it with new scenarios and forecast assumptions. You can add and set up new hires, directly entering salary, and manage new hires by editing and deleting them. Easily plan for an employee's departure or leave of absence, transfer employees between entities, and easily configure demographics by headcount, gender, skill set, age, education level, and so on to plan for future activities and fill gaps in your organization. Business wizards, such as the Benefits and Taxes wizard, ease process maintenance, letting you quickly plan salaries and other compensation, including bonuses, benefits, and other expenses, for existing and new employees. Specify the component type to create. Use Custom to define your own logic to drive calculations. Use Simple for a single rate option per year with a threshold value. Use Rate Table for different rate options without threshold values, so you can assign the options or tiers you want drivers to use as defaults. Use Rate Table and Threshold to use different rate options with thresholds. This lets you assign the options or tiers to the relevant drivers as defaults. For taxes, you can use a threshold maximum value type to calculate complex taxes that cross tiers, instead of assigning a specific tier as the default. Then define drivers such as payment terms, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, or annually. If you perform 13-period planning, select monthly. Payment frequency, such as one-time pay or pay during first period. Month of the period in which one-time pay is made. Value type, such as flat amount or a percentage of salary or overall earnings. Maximum value type, such as threshold, flat amount, or a percentage of salary, overall, or taxable earnings. And a monthly or year-to-date threshold scope. For example, this tax rate is calculated by tiers. 15,000 euros in year-to-date taxable earnings is taxed at 23%. Up to 75,000 euros is taxed at 30%, and amounts above 75,000 are taxed at 43%. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.